what is okay and what is not okay, and for
Yeah.
women also in the family. So even say privileged educated families, वहाँ भी एक होता है ना एक decorum. एक तो है कि जो आपको society at large कह रही है कि how you should behave, you know, दुपट्टा कैसे है,
बिल्कुल।
दुपट्टा लेके चलना है, ऊंचा नहीं हंसना, that kind of thing. But it's also privileged or educated families में there's another pressure which I can immediately as I came in I can see, and that is the pressure of being perfect, of being the lady,
Perfection.
कि you know बाल perfect हो, आपने बैठना ऐसे है.
Thank you,
And you know
Rehan.
that is also huge pressure. So हम
It's-
no matter which socioeconomic status you're from, there are pressures, and I think for now girls of all socioeconomic levels, all the pressures are there because Insta is also telling you, you know, there is this way to behave like a
Yeah,
lady. ऐसे
yeah,
बैठना है,
yeah.
इतना मेकअप करना, इतना मेकअप नहीं करना.
शर्ट
बालों को-
ऐसे होनी चाहिए,
हाँ,
ये नीचे
हर चीज.
everything.
So everything is.
Yeah.
So I don't think those pressures exist for men unless they want to adopt.
हाँ,
हर मर्द पे
बिल्कुल,
नहीं है वो
नहीं है।
pressure. फिर आपको ये भी pressure नहीं है कि you know what is okay for a woman to do. And of course, like we were saying off record also, okay, for younger girls, I think. I mean, I'm in a stage of life where those pressures are not as huge a concern for me. But for a younger woman, where the biological clock is ticking also, तो आपका एक tolerance level ज़्यादा होने की ज़रूरत होती है.
बहुत ज्यादा. And it's amazing that you speak about this. कल रात ही मैंने अभी recently journaling शुरू की है.
अच्छा.
And कल रात ही मैंने लिखा that I have to give up the need for perfection. अब वो टाइम आ गया है मेरी लाइफ में जब मुझे कम फर्क पड़ता है कि लोग क्या कह रहे हैं, क्या सोचते हैं, because I'm okay with being misunderstood.
But you think कम फर्क पड़ता है, not completely.
नहीं, completely.
And you see that's the thing. So I've written a lot about it. कि, you know, there is no state of perfection. There is no perfect moment in anyone's life. There's no opportune moment. I was just thinking to myself the other day, I thought, oh my God, if you're 20 or 30 and you're thinking, because aap career kar rahe ho, or maybe say, for example, you want to sing, and you might hit 50 or you might hit menopause and then you think, ab to awaaz hi nahi rahi meri. So basically, there's no perfect moment, there's no opportune time, and there is no perfection. जो हम सारी जिंदगी हम पे प्रेशर रहता है ना, एंड फॉर अ वुमन हमेशा वो परफेक्शन तो रहती है. घर साफ हो, सब लोगों के कपड़े साफ हों, हर चीज़ मैचिंग हो, प्लेस मैट्स चाइना से मैच कर रहे हों, आप भी खुद परफेक्ट लग रहे हो. ये जो परफेक्शन हम पे जो एक मुसल्लत की गई है, इट्स अनरियल. इट्स नॉट अ वेरी रियलिस्टिक एक्सपेक्टेशन. और फिर हम क्या कर रहे हैं कि वी कांट एवर स्नैप आउट ऑफ इट. सो जब वो माँ भी नहीं होती चेक करने के लिए, या वो पार्टनर भी नहीं होता जो कॉन्स्टेंटली आपको क्रिटिसाइज कर रहा होता है, या दुनिया भी नहीं होती, तो वी आर सेल्फ इन्फ्लिक्टिंग.
Yeah, I was just going to say.
It's self-inflicting.
अब तो self-inflicted है.
Or whether it's Insta or whether it is because you've heard someone's
Yeah.
conversation. And I think life has been, I have tried to embrace imperfection.
Yes,
As
how
you grow
have you
old-
done that?
So I think it's been very difficult because I had a parent who was a perfectionist of matlab perfectionist.
Your mother or
of a
father?
perfectionist.
Your
Mother
mother.
was.
Okay.
And it's usually the mothers actually.
Yeah. मैंने आपका एक इंटरव्यू देखा था. I don't know किसके साथ था जिसमें
But I was
आपने
on
कहा
PTV.
कि PTV और Me Too.
अच्छा.
And कोई puppet show था.
Yeah, so I
Me
hesitated.
Too.
Really?
With Uncle Sargam.